This is some huge number you're expected to pay at the end of the road, but what is it?
What does this mean?
It really comes down to two different buckets: fees and prepaids. First, let's talk about fees. This is the cost of everybody involved in the transaction. For example, the lender. The lender has a fee. It usually covers the cost of actually putting your loan together. Think underwriting processing fee. The title company or the attorney, they have a fee. They make sure that nobody else has a claim to the house that you're buying. Last is the appraiser's fee. This is the person who makes sure that the bank isn't lending more than the house is actually worth. Then you have the second bucket, which is prepaids. Think of these as like future bills collected at closing. Homeowner's insurance. Usually the entire year's worth is due at closing. Also, they're going to collect a few months of property taxes at closing. Sometimes they'll even collect interest depending on when you close in the month. A lot of people think that closing costs are just lender fees.
It's not true.
But very little of it actually comes to us as the lender. The biggest chunk is money that the house needs. Insurance, taxes, stuff you'd have to pay anyway. It's just collected all at once at closing. That's why closing costs vary from house to house. So now the big question, how much are closing costs? Well, it does vary by area, by county, even by state and so on, but typically it's gonna run somewhere between 2 to 4% of your purchase price. DM me the word costs. I'll give you the cheat code on how to reduce your closing costs.